Hi friends, welcome to Steno-Type YouTube channel.
Dear friends, first of all, I thank the organizers for calling me and giving me this opportunity to be at this center today. I am happy that Carl has given me the opportunity to see the country's largest steel plant. The presence of a large number of women in this function gives an idea of the interest they take in education. It is a matter of satisfaction that a separate center for adult education and training is being opened in this area. Education is an important part of our social life. It is necessary that each and every individual should be provided with facilities to get minimum knowledge of writing and reading. However, for one reason or the other, the number of illiterate in our country is far less when compared to other countries. You know that the strength of our country lies in the villages, but our villages were not taken proper care of when we were under foreign rule. During the foreign rule, our villages were fully neglected, and as a result, illiteracy has increased considerably. After the attainment of independence, education received the serious attention of the central and state governments, and today the level of education of adults and women, particularly in the villages, is a matter of serious concern to us. Today, the level of education in our country is also quite good. Of course, education of adults and women, particularly in the villages, is a matter of serious concern to us. It is with a view to enable the men and women in the villages that this center is opened. I was informed by the chairman that this center will meet the educational requirements of nearly 25 villages. I hope and trust that the villagers will be helped by attending the classes. and the training organized by this center regularly. I would now like to end my talk by wishing you all success. Thank you. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your statement of expenditure for the month of January. We are concerned to note that heavy expenditure. It is quite possible that some special items of expenditure had to be met. We would like to have a look at the expenditure. In any case, you will agree that we are 91% for an explanation and reply on this. In this connection, we wish to inform you that the goods in question do not require such heavy charges. In fact, we are left with a poor 2% profit. We request you to keep your expenses as low as possible so that we continue to have good business relations. Thanking you, yours faithfully.